So over here, you can see that I have this Google Classroom opened up right here. And whatever submissions that is made over here on this particular Google Classroom or whatever materials you upload, it is actually saved on a class Google Drive. So you can access that Google Drive by going around over here on the top right hand corner right here and by clicking on this button right here that says Class Drive Folder. So if I were to go around and click on this, then it opens up the Google Drive right here, and you can see all of the files that you have shared or any assignments that the students may have submitted. So over here, you can see that these are the files that are shared till now over here in Google Classroom. And if I were to go around over here in the essay 1, you can see all of the essays that has been submitted over here. And you can also view the date on when the essay was submitted over here, as the timestamp is there. If I were to go around onto templates, then whatever templates you have added in Google Classroom, that is, if you have added in some document and said to make a copy of it while sharing it to students, then it comes in the template section over here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and access out Google Drive of classrooms of other classrooms as well. So if I were to go around onto home, then you can see that there's this Google Drive folder link right here. If I were to click on this, then it opens up the Google Drive folder right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and click on this folder right here, then it opens up the Google Drive folder over here, just like this, for that particular classroom. And if I were to go around onto the classroom section, you can see that this is what you have. So under My Drive, you can see that you can access out your files, and you have a separate folder created for Google Classroom which says Classroom. So if I were to go around and open it out, then you can see all of your Classroom Google Drive files right there. And that is how you can access out all of the files of your Google Classroom by using Google Drive, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.